Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about harmony in myself. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about harmony in a human being and what is a human being. The human being consists of the I and the physical body. So here we are going to discuss about harmony in myself, that is the self or the I. So why should I study myself? Why should I want to before if I want to know the harmony in myself, I should study about myself. I should know about myself. So in our search for harmony in all the spheres of our life, the first stage we come across is ourselves. We are human beings, and so it becomes our need to understand what is human being. What am I and who am I? Towards this, we study the feeling of ourself, the constant presence of what we refer to as I. Till I'm in this world, till I have this physical body, I also will be there along with me. So it seems quite amazing to believe many of us spend an entire lifetime without knowing the first person we live with ourselves. We spend the maximum of our time in ourselves with ourselves. We keep having thoughts and feelings and plans and are mostly lost or preoccupied with ourselves most of the time. But we are unaware of this thing. Knowing about myself or yourself. Have you ever attempted to know about yourself? Chances are your answer if it is negative. Here are some questions you could ask yourself. What am I like? What are the activities in me? What is my ultimate goal in life? How can I achieve my goal? What do I have? Why do I have problems? Whatever they are, whatever be the kind of problem is, how can I solve them? Why do I get angry, frustrated, or depressed? Or at times I get scared. Why? What is happiness and unhappiness? And how is it caused? So these kind of questions may sometimes help us to learn about ourselves, the self or the I. The self is the basics of everything we do. All the desires and expectations we have, be it to be a famous or getting marks or to get greater jobs or become a politician or having good relationship with our family or wanting to eat rasagullas or gulab jamuns, it is all beginning with I. Hence, it becomes important to understand these desires, thoughts, and activities in I so that we know whether they are right. Happiness and unhappiness are states in the self. Hence, we need to study ourselves to understand happiness better and the causes of unhappiness. Studying ourselves, sorry, studying ourselves helps us have more clarity about how we are within. As we gain clarity about ourselves, it helps us become self-confident. Since we are in relationship with other people, the more we understand ourselves, the more we understand other person as well, and our relationship with them too. So here we have getting to know the activities of self. So here, see the here two. It has been categorized into one is power and another one is activity. So see, desire. First two with the natural acceptances. Next, third one comes the desire, thought, and expectations. So let us see how these are related and how the self interchange informations within them. So if you see first, sometimes I may be having a desire to buy a car, for example. So I may be desiring to buy a car. So see, this is a self. My inner thought is desiring to buy a car. So what obviously we'll do, immediately our mind will, or the eye will start, the activity by the eye is start imagining the car, right? So which car I need to buy, which brand will be good, which color will be good, so what facilities I do require, what is the latest brand, all these imaginations will be going, and we'll be imaging the thing what we need, right? So the self I will desire for it, and it will visualize, it will image it. Next, if it is a thought, right, if it is a, why it is happening, right? As I sometimes I may feel hungry even after eating, even after I having a very good meal, I may be feeling hungry within 20 minutes. If it is, then my thought immediately, my eye will not sit quietly, so it will think, why is it being hungry again? I had a very good lunch. I'll be analyzing. I had a very good lunch, but even then I'm feeling hungry. What is the problem with my physical body? So all these kind of analysis will be going on. And next comes the fifth one, expectations, right? See, certain kind of expectations we'll be having. So when we are going to buy a car, so I've decided and I'm going to buy a car, I may be having certain kind of expectations, and my selection will be based on that, right? So these kind of activities will help us to understand ourselves, and how the body is, how the communication is going to take place. There are two possible flow of activities. One is outside to inside, another one is inside to outside. That is, one is from the body to the eye, another is from the eye to the body, right? Two kind of activities we can see. So one first, if you see, uh, this is a flow diagram to show the outside to inside. Whatever be is, both we can see. Suppose body. I may be feeling discomfort and sitting a wooden chair for a long time, right? So it is my body, my physical body's requirement. I'm using a physical chair without a cushion or without any comfortness. So my body will ask for a very good, comfortable couch or something. So immediately what I'll start, my imaginations will go on how to buy a couch, what are the different kinds of seaters available, what are the colors, what are the models, and all these things will be starting imaging, and we'll move towards that, turns into a desire of I. So see, actually my body require that, and now it is turning into the desire of the I, and I will start planning for that, and we'll be buying it. If you see the opposite case, right? So the body is feeling comfort, discomfort, and so it moves to into the case. Suppose another example, let us consider. I'm feeling unhappy for a quite long time due to some stress or due to some overwork or something. So see, the I will be telling, yes, I will be if I need a break will be good. So immediately the I will order or require or make the body to select, right, what kind of methods I can impart in order to make the I happy or make the I harmony. And it may be a trip, or it may be a vacation, or it may be a good food, or it may be a valuable time with the family, or any kind of activities the I may be. So see, the here the initiation was being done by the I. So the harmony between the body and the I can be initiated by either the I or the body, right? So this will be in and out. So this is for your example from where these harmony happens, from the home to the woman, and how these or the how the family, the home, the family, the college, the colleagues, the friends, how they are interrelated, and how harmony is being maintained. You can have in and out both the things with these relationships. So this content was taken by others from this reference. And thank you.